everyone, today in this video we will show you how to make Windows 10 10x faster. So there are some apps in the PC. When the PC is boot up, they automatically get started. So this leads to the PC to run slow. So first you will go to the task manager and you will go to the startup here on the top. And I don't need Cortana to start. I will disable. And I don't want Microsoft Edge to start. I will disable. I don't want Microsoft Teams also, so I will disable. So I want Epson's all and Intel's. I want them to run on the startup. So I have disabled them. So this makes your PC a little bit faster when you boot up your PC.
So there are some apps that you don't need, so we have to uninstall it. So that to do that, we have to go Apps and Features, click on it, scroll down, select which you don't need. I don't want this WhatsApp, so uninstall it, uninstall. So it will be uninstalled.
So there are some apps which we and our apps aren't using and Windows is not using. So to delete that, the Windows will automatically delete. To do that, we'll go to setting. We'll click on system and we'll go to the storage. And we'll click on storage sense to on. Now we'll go to configure storage sense or run it now. We'll set the storage sense to run every day and delete temporary files that my apps aren't using. And delete files in my receivable bin if they are not there over for 30 days. Means if there are files in the receivable bin over 30 days, it will automatically get deleted. Delete files from download folder if they haven't been opened more than. So we can set this to never, as there can be important files of yours which you need, and so set it for never. And the OneDrive content will be online if you not open for more than, we set to never. So free up space now. If you are low on space, you can try to clean up files using the settings on this page. So you can click on clear now. So this may take a while, so I will let this open. This will not delete your own personal files, it will delete your the files which you don't need.
We have to clean up disk drive. So go to this PC, C drive, click on it, go to properties, press on disk cleanup, select temporary files, recycle bin, and go to press OK. Delete files. So it will unnecessary files will deleted and your computer will fast.
So there are more temporary files which can be deleted. So we can press Windows R and we'll type TEMP and we'll press enter, and there are some temporary files in the C drive. So don't get worried, this won't be affected to your PC. It will make it fast. There are more. We'll again press Windows R and we'll type %TEMP and %. We'll click on enter and again you will delete all these files. And again we'll press Windows R and PREFETCH and we'll press enter. So again you will delete all these files. So this makes your PC faster.
So there is a setting to decrease the animation and visual graphics. So to do that, go to performance, just type performance, adjust, click on it. So we have to select adjust for best performance, select smooth edges and OK. So see, the animation has gone.
So there are some apps which run on the background and which the apps we are using currently they get slow and which leads up to not responding or your PC gets slow. So to disable that, go to the start and we'll go to background apps. We click on that, and if it is off, if it is on, so this apps run on the background which makes our PC slow, or with the apps you are using it makes it slow. So to just if you want to make them run on the background, you can off some apps, or you can, if you don't want to run on the background, you can just off. So this can lead, if you are opening a PowerPoint and if you are focusing on it, and if you don't want to make your PC slow, you are doing some really important work, so you can disable them. So the easiest way to make your PC fast is to reset. You click on Windows I, go to update and security, go to recovery. So there is the option of reset the PC. You can click on get started. So there are two options: keep my files and remove everything. If you click on keep my files, it will remove your app settings, but it will keep your personal files such as images, documents, and personal videos. And if you click on remove everything, it will remove your personal files, apps, and settings, and it will again reinstall Windows. So by this way, you can make your PC faster.